Bro, can I be real for a second? Why do y'all treat small creators like they're nothing? They post a video, low views, maybe low quality, and instead of showing love, y'all scroll, laugh, or just ignore like they don't even exist. But you weren't born viral. You started at 0 too. You posted flops. You begged for one comment. You almost gave up. So why act like they don't deserve a chance? Some of them are editing on broken phones, cracked screens, with heart and hustle you forgot you had. Imagine